Look at that. I'm just saying though. Look how amazing this looks. Señoras y señores, bienvenidos al canal de Sasamoto. Welcome to the Sasamoto channel. I hope all my Sasamoto family is doing amazing. And yes, this is Luna updated. Look how gorgeous she looks. I'm going to confess something. This is not real carbon fiber. It's a carbon fiber look. But I think eventually I want to replace it with real carbon fiber. But it looks so good. Now this is real carbon fiber. If you look at this, this is real carbon fiber. This is not. But it's so, almost so close that honestly, it looks good. Unless if it starts fading away or doing something crazy, I'm gonna leave it as is. To me, this looks fantastic. I mean, wow. Look how gorgeous that looks. That looks phenomenal. All right, so quick update on everything that's going on in my world. This might be the last moto vlog for a while. My house will not be ready until November, December-ish, they're predicting. So unfortunately, I'm gonna be homeless for a while. My baby's gonna sit somewhere safe. I am not putting her in a storage unit. I don't trust storage units. It's gonna sit somewhere safe. That is the current thing. And as usual, I am running late. So let's get this cold start going. I haven't started up in a while, so whew, she purrs, man, I'm telling you. If you guys decide that you want to go with an aftermarket exhaust headers, I mean, if you're just doing just regular exhaust without the cat, basically no cat delete is what I'm trying to say. If you guys want to do that, that's totally fine. You don't have to do anything with the bike. You can leave it as is. However, you can do a tune with the stock exhaust or with like a pipe. To be honest, in my personal opinion, if you don't remove the cat, no matter what exhaust you put there, it's not going to make a huge difference unless if you put a short exhaust. That's going to make more of a difference than putting a regular long one, because it's basically you're just replacing the long exhaust that comes with it with another long exhaust, and you're going to get the same, about the same sound. Not exactly the same, but about the same sound. So with that being said, if you are doing a cat delete and you're doing headers, put in the tuning, because this thing sounds horrible when it does not have a tune. The idle is everywhere in the beginning, and then it smooths out. But that's for every video that I've seen on this bike. I've never experienced it myself with this bike, because when I changed out the headers, I immediately put in the Brent tuning into this bike, like immediately. I never even started her up without the tuning once I changed out and removed the catalytic converter, because this thing is heavily, I mean heavily restricted. This is my first video and first ride with the new Monster Fairings We're gonna go ahead and take this little spin. She looks so gorgeous. I don't even want to touch, like I want to put her on a wall somewhere where she looks just like a piece of art. Just hang her up there. Because wow, this thing changed the look completely. Look at this from the rear, from the side, from the back, from the front. Oh, look at that. I'm just saying though, look how amazing this looks. I waited for this piece to come in for the longest time, and I thought the red pieces were gonna stand out, mess up the look, but I actually no, I like it, because I have the red accent lights with the little rear red. There's something flapping in my eye. What is that? Oh, piece of cloth material from my it's flapping in my eye. Look at this, it's flapping in my eye. So anyway, but yeah, oh, that's so annoying. It's in my eye. Jeez, all of this was in my eye. What the French toast. Anyway, she came out phenomenal. She really did. Like, this is all carbon fiber. Look, this right here, they did a great job with this, man. Big shout out. Oh, I didn't even know it had metal flakings in the painting. What? Oh, that's dope. I just noticed that. Because the black paint has metal flakings. Now, another thing I was saying, I put on the black cowl on this, and it looks dope. It really does. Like, I was so confused as to which cowl I wanted to use, because the black cowl matches the tank. Obviously the tank is, you know, that's not gonna it's not plastic, so you can't change that out. Only these pieces here. But the black one looks really good because it matches the tank. However, this gray one also looks good because of the rest of the color. It fits the scheme. The thing is, when I put the black on at night, it doesn't show up those little edges there. But anyway, enough yapping. Let's go. I think I took out the garbage a little too early. All right. Oh, we have to gas up too? Ah, major fail. Oh man, this is great. Woo! Yes, I am super stoked. This is great. I want to keep looking down at it. It's such a distraction. It's horrible. Such a distraction. But let's go in and fill up because I'm already running late. Woo! Yeah! I'm gonna make this a really short video. I'm gonna have to fill up here and then we're gonna have to fill up at Wawa tonight because tonight is Ace Cafe, ladies and gentlemen. I can't wait to meet up with the crew. They haven't seen the bike in person either. So that's gonna be pretty dope.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do.
Quick fill up. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, so that is the story for today. Looks like me and Luna will be separated for a while. Woo! Yeah! I gotta enjoy her as much as I can because me and Luna are gonna be separated for a little bit. I don't know where, because I don't know what my living situation. Ooh, pretty dope. Hey, got the bird's blessing. Hey, let's go. Yeah, me and Luna are gonna be separated for a little bit. Yeah, for months at a time. So I'm trying to find a house somewhere or a room to rent until everything is super expensive, until my house is being built. Once it's done, they're predicting that my house is going to get built, and once that's done, at the price I got it in, it's going to be at least $30,000 more the worth of the house that I'm purchasing by the time it's done. They're predicting that because the guy told me it's going to go up even more come June, which is now. What are we on? June 2nd or something like that? That is the prediction. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is my that's my story. So that's what's going on in my life right now. It sucks, but at the end, it's going to be a few months. This is going to be a really sucky summer. I'm predicting a very sucky summer because my living situation is gonna suck. I wasn't predicting this at all. At least I got one thing. I can't get it all, but I got one thing. I got the house that I wanted to get, and I just have to wait. I have to be patiently waiting on the sidelines for 5 months. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna cut the film here. Thank you so much for being part of the Sasso Moto family. You guys have been super amazing. I love each and every single one of you guys for supporting me, supporting my channel, but most of all, supporting my situation and telling me to keep my head up. I appreciate you guys. Stay safe out there. See you guys in the next video. Peace.